Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a background in DaVinci Resolve, and you can pretty much put anything else in there that you'd like. So let's check out how to do this. So once you've imported your video and you're over in the Edit tab, which is right at the bottom, you can click on the Edit tab, and we want to go up to the left hand side and look for effects. Now once we've selected effects, we can do one of two things. We can search for 3D here, or we can simply just scroll down. If you look in Toolbox, Open Effects, Filters, Resolve Effects, and all the way down to the 3D key. Now what we want to do is we want to click down on it and we want to drag it over and put it on top of our video. This embeds it into the video. The next thing we want to do right here on our player is click this drop down menu, and you want to look for Open FX Overlay. Once you've done that, we're going to go down to the color tab. Okay, it's 2 tabs across from your edit tab. Now right here is where the magic is going to happen. So once you're over here, we're going to go over to the menu over here, and here you're going to look for this window icon. Okay, once you've selected that window icon, you're going to come down and you're going to select this pen icon. Now when you put your cursor over this image of your video, you will be able to click down and mask the area that you would like to remove. So let's zoom in with our mouse wheel, hold in Control to scroll with the mouse wheel, and let's start masking. So the closer in you get, the better or more accurate you will be. So we're going to click down, and the next click that you make, that will essentially start to create your mask, and you're going to go around your entire subject within your video. The last click you want to do is on the very first marker that you made right over there. Alright, let's zoom back out and you'll see that this is now completely masked. Okay, and of course the more detail you put in there, the better your result will be. We're going to go down here now. Onto this menu again, you're going to look for tracking. It's this one right over here, and you're going to make sure that your runner is all the way on the left of your video. So you want the very first frame of your video. So what we're going to do now is making sure that our player is seeing our very first frame. You're going to go ahead at the bottom over here where it says tracker window, we're going to push play. Once we push play, this is going to allow the tracking to track our object within the video. Once this process is complete, you can go ahead over to the right hand side. You will see these are where all your nodes are. All right, what you're going to do is in an open space, you're going to right click and you're going to look for add alpha output. Right, this will now allow you to extract what we've selected. So right over here, you're going to click on this blue icon. We're going to click down and hold, and we're going to drag it over just to there. Once you're done, we can go over to the Edit tab and we can review our footage, and you can now also add a background onto this video where you've removed your background. Now, if you want to learn more about DaVinci Resolve, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of amazing content. We'll see you over there. Peace out.